The 500 square meter Schüco training workshop offers ultra-modern workstations for budding mechatronic, electronic and mechanical engineers. The Schüco Technology Center opens up the range of the world's leading technology in the area of the building envelope for apprentices and students. A key aim of Schüco is to develop and guarantee a continuous stream of in-house specialists and engineers. It's also imperative to pass on window and facade expertise to more junior employees by training specialists and engineers. Schüco has been working with the East Westphalia Lippe University of Applied Sciences and their dual work-study degree courses since 2006. We're in the training workshop at the Schüco Technology Center, which has been offering dual technical study programs in addition to technical commercial vocational training since 2006. These offerings have been expanded gradually over the years so that in 2015 a total of 6 young people, 2 from each specialism of electronics, mechatronics and mechanical engineering, have obtained a place on a dual work-study course for the first time. This concept is expected to be continued in the years to come so that a total of 24 dual work-study technical students will complete the practical part of their studies in the new training workshop in 2018. This is in addition to the apprentices in technical occupations from other departments.